for civil engineering students channel. In this video I will discuss very important topic, how to change the columns in Excel file to rows in Excel file. Okay, let us say this is this is first column, that is A column. I want to change it to rows, that is it 1 2 okay 1 2 3 4 something like that up to 20. I want to change this column into row. Then what is the method? Of course, so let us say 20 elements we can write very easily, but let us say the A column has some 10,000 elements, especially for general earthquake, ground motion, something like that. Let us say 10,000 points. Then I want to convert that column to row. Then what is the method? Okay, just you see. Okay, the best method is MATLAB. We can see this is the simple code to convert the column into the rows, and it's stored into the XLS file. XLS file. As usual, CLC, clear all, and this is this up to this point, up to this line, it is for browsing the particular data, particular file, the Excel file. Then test is equal to read. This is XLS read and full path name. Full path name. Then A is equal to text of colon comma 1. That is, it will read the first row, first column of that Excel sheet. Then AC is equal to transpose of A. The transpose of A, that is transpose will convert into the row. Then XLS read. I want to read this AC, transposed column, transposed of A into the Excel file. That is, this is the syntax. You can see here. This is the syntax. XLS write, then brackets, then data. This is you can give any name. You can give any name. Data1.xlx. You have to give the extension. Then comma, then bracket AC, that is this. This variable AC, then of 1 comma colon, that is whatever the elements, the AC elements will stored in row matrix. Row matrix in sheet 1 starting at A1. A1 cell. We will see what will. Just you run this. Can run this MATLAB code. The child folder. Change folder, and it will ask to browse the particular file, that Excel file. Just you browse that particular Excel file, desktop, Excel file. You can see this is our Excel file. Okay, then then after some time it will convert the column to row matrix, and that file will be stored in Excel. Okay, the new Excel file will generate, which contains the elements in row form. Okay, elements in row form. There is some problem with this system. Okay, so you can see it is generated. Okay, you can see this is our newly generated Excel file. Let us open this Excel file. Okay, just open this Excel file. It is newly created Excel file. Then you can see here the column elements are converted into the row elements. You can see here row elements. So in this way we can easily convert, or we can easily convert row to column or column to row by using this MATLAB. Okay, very important. This is very important. Sometimes we want to convert let us say 1,000 elements. At those times it is very important to write a code in MATLAB, and you browse that particular data and you can convert, and you can create a new file, new Excel file. Okay, this is what about conversion of column elements to row elements. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.